Hello guys, my name is Damo and today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial based on few ways to speed up your Windows 10 computer. So first thing which we're going to be doing, we're going to click on that search the web on Windows thing and we're going to type msconfig. We're going to click on system configuration and we're going to wait for a few seconds. Then we're just gonna go to boot section and we're gonna be clicking advanced options. Then we're gonna be checking that and we're gonna choose the maximum number of processors. I will make sure that your computer will speed up a bit. So if you like your computer to speed up, just click the biggest number of processors and then click OK. Then you click no GUI boot and you change timeout to 3 seconds. Then you just go to services and you click hide all Microsoft services. So here you can stop any services which you don't like or which you don't need to run in your computer, and it will really speed up your working. So if you don't want anything to work here, you can just stop it by clicking double on it and then it will just disable. So I can choose disable all and I can choose here what services I would like to disable. It can take more time, but just disable services which you don't need, and then if you just click that, click disable, and then it will disable all of it. Then we'll go to startup and we'll click open task manager, and here we have programs which start up with your system. So try to disable how many services you can, because it will really speed up time to just open your operating system. It will speed up your startup. So try to disable everything. If you're not sure of the program or something, just keep it enabled because you might disable something important. So if you're not sure of any program on your list, just keep it enabled or disabled. We're just gonna exit out and then we're gonna click tools. We're gonna click on change user account control settings. We're gonna choose launch. At the start you have here always notify. Now we're going to change it to never notify. It will really speed up your computer because it will not notify you. So it will not show thing here with all the stuff you have to do. It will never notify you of any updates or something like that. So it will speed up your computer a bit. Then you just click OK. Just click apply to all of it and you just click OK. So second thing which we're gonna do today is we're gonna type settings. We're gonna click on that and we're gonna click on privacy. So now we just can maximize it, and now turn this off. So turn this off, turn this off, and turn this off. So now you can stop a video and turn off everything what I have turned off. If you would like something to leave it on, just leave it on because it might give you a problem if you use one of the apps from Windows. So keep it enabled, which you need. For example, I'm using my camera, so I can keep it on, but now I'm keeping it off because I don't need that stuff, and it will really speed up your computer. So you can turn that things off, as you can see here, get to know me, and we just turn off. You will have here turn off. If you have turn on, just don't turn it on, and counting 4, just turn everything off. Yeah, turn off, and it will really speed up your computer, I'm telling you, because these you don't need the apps, they take in space. Look, they take it someplace. I'm just gonna turn that off. So I don't know why it was on. Just turn off. Now, when we are on feedback diagnostics, we click here, never. So Windows will never ask you for any feedback. If you would like to give feedback, just choose automatically, so they will ask you for a feedback. Or if you don't want them rubbish asking for feedback, just click never and they will never ever ask you anything. Here we'll just click basic because it will actually send basic data to Microsoft here, so you don't have to worry about anything here. And then we'll go to background apps. So now turn everything off in here. Just if you're using something, keep it off. I recommend to keep one or two things. Disable things which you don't need. I have all of them disabled because I don't need that stupid programs which came straight with Windows 10. So I turn it off because I'm not gonna be using them, never in my life. So you just click off and you will not open them, or they will not run in the background, so it will really speed up your Windows 10 operating system. I'm definite of that. Okay, now just click exit, or you just click personalize, and now here you have your display settings. So now it is really good because now you actually choose colors, and now you just, I don't know, if you would like to have color on here on the Windows thingy, you just click that off. The main thing here to turn off is make taskbar and action center transparent. It will really slow up your Windows. So if you click it off, you'll start to see that your Windows get faster. So here you just can choose a picture which you want to show when it is like preview or something, themes and start. So now here it will show you on the Windows thing. I just like exit all that, and look, I can like get it bigger whenever I want bigger or whenever I want smaller. So that is really good because I can make mine look like in Windows 7. So if you don't want anything to show like in here, you just can turn it off. I just like, I don't know, watch the video and teach you how to make them look here so you can search for it. So turn them off because look, you can click on and look what happened. It will like be in like, look, Windows 8, and we don't really need that. So we'll turn it off because it will, you don't need that stuff, do it. It's just like add-ons to Windows 10 which you don't need. But if you like something new, you can keep it on. I'm not telling you to disable stuff which you like. So yeah, keep that on. One thing which you're gonna keep on, it's not gonna really slow up your computer. It will slow a bit, but not like really much. Okay, so now we're gonna be typing here services because we're now gonna disable services which you don't need. So this step is one of the steps which really speed up your Windows 10 computer. So now you have here all the services. So first service which we're gonna disable is Xbox here. If you don't use Xbox, you can disable all of them free. I already have them disabled, so just double click on them and now you click disabled and you click apply. Do that for all three Xbox things. Well, if you use Xbox on your PC, don't disable that because it will actually disable your Xbox. So if you would like to use it, don't disable it because it will actually disable all of the Xbox thing which you have on your Windows 10. Okay, now we're gonna disable DMW APPU SHAVIC. So I don't know where is it. It might be here, that thing here. Just double click on it and click disable because It's like VAP push message version service, so we don't need that shit on our Windows 10. So just disable it. It will really speed up your Windows 10. I'm telling you, this stuff will really speed up your Windows 10. So disable that thing. Okay, now we're gonna disable diagnostic tracking service. So we're gonna find diagnostic tracking service and we just disable it. And now we just click apply, sorry about that. And we want to disable Microsoft Windows SMS. So the second thing to disable here, so Microsoft Windows SMS, we don't need that. You just click disable and then click apply. Now we're gonna disable all hyperlinks. So all of them hyperlinks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can double click on them and disable them. So now I'm giving you time to stop a video to disable. Okay, so if you disable them all, the thing which we can disable now is retail demo service. So we'll just click for retail demo service. Yeah, we've got it here. And we're now gonna click disable and apply. Now we're gonna be clicking sensor service. So we will try to find sensor service. We're gonna hear a service for sensors that manages different sensors, functionality, manages simple device orientation. So we're gonna disable it. Now we're gonna disable fax. I think most of the people which watching that video is not gonna be needed fax. Or if you like fax on your computer, you can disable it. It's somewhere over here. Fax. I don't know where it's fax. Well, if you're gonna find some more fax, just disable it. I don't know where it's gone. Now we're gonna disable distributed link tracking. So we will try to find distributed link tracking. And now we just click disable and click apply. Now we're gonna disable geolocation service. Geolocation service, we're gonna disable it. IP helper, we don't need IP helper really. So we'll try to find IP helper because it will actually like get tuner, so you don't need that. You just like get your IP helper, but you don't need that. It really slow up your Windows 10. Just think about it, guys. It can really speed up your Windows 10 operating system. So you just disable it, then you just click OK. We're gonna choose now Print Spooler. So Print Spooler. We'll go here, disable it, apply. And now we're gonna disable server properties. So now we'll just like search for server properties. I don't know, is it server properties? I don't know, but if you have server properties, just disable that. I don't know where it's like my things gone. Well, I don't care about that. So yeah, just disable all of them stuff which I told you, and now you can see that your Windows 10 is speed up. But if you cannot see that, after you restart your computer, you will see that your Windows 10 is faster now. But you don't have to restart now. Just do all your things and then you just restart your PC and you will see that there's a difference. Okay, so thing number 5 is system properties. So now we're gonna be clicking on computer or this PC and we're gonna click that thing which shows properties. I'm gonna exit that. Now we just click on advanced system settings. And we're gonna click performance, visual effects, processor scheduling, memory usage, and virtual memory. We just click settings here. You will have here let Windows choose what's best for my computer. So you will choose adjust for best performance. It will really speed up your Windows 10 and now you will see all the difference which you may do. So two things which we're gonna actually take is smooth scrollers and smooth edges of screen fonts. So these two are really important. You don't have to keep enabled the rest of them because you don't need them. It's like just stuff which is like add-ons, and it will really speed up your Windows 10. So make sure to choose that too and click apply. And now you start to see that your Windows 10 is faster. But that's not the end of it. Now we're gonna just click start up and recovery settings. And we're gonna unclick that. Now we're gonna just click OK. We're gonna go on system protection. Now we just click that and configure, and now we're just gonna disable system protection. This thing does really speed up your Windows 10 because it will actually turn off system protection and it will really speed up your Windows 10. So make sure to disable that system protection because you don't need that thing really. You don't really need that. So click disable, you will have this, so you just click disable and then you just click apply. Now you're gonna go on remote and we're gonna click advanced and you just uncheck that thing. If you have it already unchecked, that's good, or if you have it checked, just make sure to uncheck that thing. And now you just choose don't allow remote connections for this computer. So that will be good. We'll just click now OK. So I think we're done. So now we're gonna be going on power options. So now we're going on power options. So we would type here power options. Oh, we don't have it, so we click Windows button and arm, and we type power options. Oh, I don't know what's wrong with it, but I don't know what's really wrong with it, guys. I'll just try to do it a different way. It might work for me. I don't know. I've got a few things disabled now, so power, click on system. Power. Okay, so now you've got here balanced recommend. Now you're gonna click that button and then you're gonna show a high performance. It will use more energy, but it will really speed up your Windows 10. So if you're caring about your energy, just click that thing. But if you would like to really speed up your Windows 10, just click like high performance and you will start to see that your computer is faster now. So click high performance thing and it will speed up your Windows 10 now. So click that and that's good. Okay, now like you've been seeing before, just type settings here. So I will exit them. Type settings. Go here, click on system, and now disable that things. Just stop a video and see which things I've got disabled. So you can see which things I've got disabled. Just disable them the same. Just read and make sure not to disable anything you use it on your Windows 10 computer. You can see off. So here you can actually choose default apps to open somewhere. So I would like my music player to open with Windows Media Player. I do really like it. I was using it from XP time, so I remember when I was a kid I was just putting songs on Windows Media Player. So this is my thing which I'm open all my music and videos with, so I'll still keep using it. If like photo viewer, you just choose thing which you've got installed on it. You can install on your computer something which would like to open the photos with. Well, I've got here like photos, so good. And now we're here about, so we don't really care. Okay. So now we're gonna be doing disk cleanup. So now you type here disk cleanup. You just click that, and now it will search anything to clean your disk with. This might clean stuff which you don't need on your disk, and it might speed up your finger. But so check it all, and click OK. Delete files. So now it will start to delete all the files which you got installed on your Windows 10 operating system. So it will actually clean all the files which you don't need. Now you can see that my laptop is a bit faster now, but we still have got two things to do. So now we're gonna defragment your system. So we type here defragment and optimize drivers. You click that, and now we're just gonna click analyze, and you're just analyzing your hard disk C, and we're gonna click optimize. So now it will optimize my driver. It can take you up to 1 hour, so wait with that. If it's doing, just wait, finish that, wait how long you have. It will optimize your driver. It will set everything in the right place. So do that for Windows 10 C drive, and do that for PS2. Do it for all disk drives you have. It might take up to a few hours, but it will really speed up your Windows 10. So that is one of the important things to do today, because it might really speed up your Windows 10. So just click analyze, then just click the thing. So I just done that. Click optimize, do that for this, and do that for every hard disk you have. Okay, now I just click close. Now we're gonna be talking about a program called JetClean. Now I'm gonna like view it large, so you can see this is a program called JetClean. This will really clean up your old junk files which you got installed on Windows 10. So if you don't want to keep your junk files, if you don't want to do it manually, this program will do everything to it. So I'll leave you download link in the description. It's more better than CC Cleaner, because it's got more understanding and easier options. So you can actually use that. I think now we're gonna click the small. I'm just gonna like really quickly get them in the right place. Alright, so now we're just gonna click that JetClean thing. Just click OK or something. So now you just check all of them. You don't have to leave anything out, just click all of them. It will really clean all of your Windows system. So just make sure to keep all of them. So I'll choose register clean. Now I will choose here and scan and repair. So now we'll have to wait for a few minutes to scan up your Windows 10 computer. It will really clean files which you don't need. So I recommend to install the program, to delete CC Cleaner and try JetClean. It's much more better and easier to use, in my opinion, because it's got the same options but with easier understanding of it. So we can wait for a few minutes. It's to load all the files which are rubbish on my Windows 10 computer. Try to do it every 3 days, because files can get easily onto your computer. Even if you use the internet, it will create a file which you don't know where it is, and you'll automatically find it on your hard disk and it will clean it. So I recommend to clean that. I'll check how long is my video now. It's 25 minutes. Okay, So I might actually speed up some things. It's alright here. So see, I've got 159 problems. If you have more, that's good, because it will clean all the files which you've got, like which you don't need them on your Windows operating system. It will fix it, so that's good, because you can see how fast my Windows 10 work now. This one was actually one of the cheapest laptops which I bought, and now it's like working laptop which I bought for like 200 or £300 or dollars more. So see, it will clean all the rubbish now, as you can see. So now we're actually done. You have to wait for a few seconds here, because it's cleaning your RAM, your rubbish, and see, 1 GB was clean. So if you have more here, that's good for you, because it can get you more free space on your hard drive. Okay guys, so if you did enjoy that video, just give me a like, leave a comment below, subscribe my channel for more videos like that, and if you have something that I missed, I'll just write it in the comment, and in about a few months I will do an updated video which I will show more things. So if you have anything that I missed out, just write it in the comment below and I will do it. So see you guys next time.